Greetings and welcome. You saw it. I am doing bangs on my mini twist. Here in this footage, I am straightening my hair for the third time. Yes, this is the third time, but I have received no damage thus far. The revair hair dryer has my hair straight enough to where I could just run this comb through my hair very quick, very easily, with no damage. So here I'm just enjoying the straightness and running my fingers through my hair. I am just parting my hair and trying to figure out which way I want my mini twist to go. Whichever way I decide, I'm always going to start in sections. And here I am putting the top in a section and pre-twisting it because I know I have places to go today in between me twisting my hair. So I have to be looking decent. So I'm going to do the top just to put it out of the way and have it decent for my errands runnings. And I'm going to begin the mini twist with the front, then the back, and finish with this top. As you can see, I've twisted the ends with the Hanging Bantu knot, and that's what I'm going to do to create my bangs as well. Yes, I am using shea butter and nature's blessings to grease my scalp. Essentially, these are what I use to grow my hair. I have tried other things, but I always come right back, right forward to my shea butter and my nature's blessings. I brush to smooth and massage it through. And just like that, I'm almost done with the front bangs because you don't really want to see how that goes. But just in case you do, you just take two strands and you cross them and twist them down all the way to the ends. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I am putting Shine and Jam Edge Control on the length of the twist to keep the flyaway hairs down, and I like the way it seals. Yes, I said seals, and I also like the way it feels. It's light and not greasy. And snap, here are my bangs. You saw how I did those hanging bantu knots. You just twist the ends up at your desired length and you have your bangs. Oh, I really love these mini twists. They were flowing like a silk press, baby. I love the way they were flowing. It was full of oil, full of grease, shea butter, and everything. It was still flowing, still light and fluffy. It lasted a long time too. I really enjoyed this. You see, I twisted up the ends here to protect my ends and to let it flow. Someone said I look Egyptian. Somebody asked me if this was a wig. Wig? No, baby, this is all natural. As the days went by, my knots started to loosen up, and it was just basically curls there. And I tried to retwist them one by one, but they were so wavy and curly. It just kind of stayed like that, but I still liked it anyway.